Hello everybody, welcome back to our Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the file sort default settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now, here, what you guys can do is go over to function settings and go to store and access files. Now, we need to go over to the common settings, then go to access stored file settings, and here we will have the file sort default settings. Here we can change it to name either ascending or descending, or date and time also ascending or descending. So if you're looking for something from an exact date, it maybe was a long time ago, then you would choose the date time ascending. And if you were looking for something that starts with a letter Z or A, you will use either ascending or descending. So it's definitely all up to your preference. You cannot go with only one settings. You need to actually change it in order to find what you want quickly. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.